lecture, you came to know about what you are going to learn in this course. This lecture is going to be the overall view of our course in detail. This course consists of 6 sections. Let's see about what each section is going to be about. Section 1 is the basics about earning through games. So in this section, I have discussed about the tremendous growth that occurred in the gaming industry, and I have also provided you the information about the different methods that are available to earn through games. Section 2 is about making money as a video game tester. So in this section, I have initially explained you about what actually video game testing is. I have discussed about how to earn money by being a video game tester as well. Section 3 will be about making money by creating guides. Here I have briefly explained about the challenges that occur while creating a guide. I have discussed about what you have to do to create an effective guide. Section 4 is about making money through online game commerce. In this section, I have explained you about how to earn money using online game commerce, and briefly I have explained about what is online game commerce. In the section 5, I have initially explained about how to be a perfect gamer. In this section, I have discussed about how to earn by being a perfect gamer. I have also provided you some valuable tips to be a successful gamer. And finally, in the section 6, I have discussed about how to make use of my social media software, that is the traffic generation part. I have explained the interfaces of the software and how to make use of it in this section. This section will definitely help you to gain more profit. So please do not skip this section. I hope you are very clear with what I am trying to say in this course. You can use the discussion board if you have any doubts or questions. I'll be replying you within 24 to 48 hours. Let us move to the first section now.